Hi guys, we are making strawberry mimosa today. To make the strawberry mimosa, I chopped up some strawberry and now I'm crushing it. Now I'm going to put the crushed strawberry, 2.5 spoon in the bottom of the glass. Now I'm going to add sparkling water. You can use the apple cider or club soda. Now I'm going to use the orange juice. And if you want to make sweeter, you can use the sugar syrup or agave, about a teaspoon. And now I'm going to top it with the crushed strawberry. And now I'm going to garnish with a piece of strawberry and fresh mint. I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.